Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do a quick unboxing of this Armorall 12 volt car vac, like a vacuum, I had bought one of these like years ago. It was an older model and it was foolery, but this one, it works. I guess my sister liked it because I had told her, yo, don't get it. If you're gonna get a good, if you want to get a proper vacuum for the car, get a proper one. Don't she spent like 25 bucks on this. Anyways, I'm gonna do the unboxing. As you can see, it's a 12 volt plug-in. You have built-in, the tools. You feel me? I don't even know if you have to like get those extra parts. I don't know. But let's get into it. I don't want to waste you guys time. You feel me? I wish I had my tripod with me, but I don't. I can't find it, guys. Cannot find it. So she had already opened it and she already used it as well. So I'm sorry about all of that. Nothing else is in there. The bag is here. I should take it out the bag, of course. Alright, sounds like the extra pieces in the bag. Alright guys, it comes with the extra two pieces, like this brush. I don't know where it goes, so I haven't really used it. But it comes with these two extra pieces. Alright, so it's stretchy, long and stretchy, so you just plug it in the 12 volt connector in the car. As you can see, Armorall, it said max right there. This part right here, you can flip it. It's so hard to do it without my tripod. I'm sorry guys. I just wanted to give you guys something since I haven't posted in a while. But and of course comes with a manual as well. So we have the manual. The other piece, it dropped. Yeah, it dropped. Put the manual in there. So this is the turn on button. Excuse me. Turn on button, you just slide it up to turn it on, turn it off. To open up this piece, this part right here, you just pressed on here and it open up, like you're actually gonna separate. So see all the dust. It works. I'm not gonna lie to you and say, oh, it doesn't work, but for me, I need something more strong and powerful. For starters, I mean, I don't mind, you feel me? If you just got your first car and you be like, you got your first vehicle, you just click it back in just like so. And this, you could flip it back. You could bring it open like this. The mouthpiece. But yeah, and you just turn, as I said, you just turn it on. And for tight spots, I'm thinking you could probably connect here. I'm guessing, I don't know. I'm not sure. You could connect. Okay, so that don't work right there. So what you gotta do? Okay, so if that don't work like that, I guess it's at the bottom. So let me turn it around. See, like so. So I'm guessing you have to like connect this piece like this to like do the brushing. And I don't know if it sucks. It looked like it sucks the dust up. See? So you could basically connect. Yeah, I guess you just connect it like this. You could just use this one or you could use the other one. I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works, but man, this probably my like one of my worst unboxing videos. I just want to put something out, but hey, Me rating this product from 1 to 10, I'll probably give it like, maybe for starters, I'm gonna give it like, it works, it's decent. It's not all that powerful and strong like how you want it to be. I'm gonna give it maybe about a 5. You feel me? But for people who starting, you don't want to spend that much money on a vacuum, and you take your time. Hey, it's up to you. You feel me? But if you want something more powerful, get something bigger. Get something more. You could get a different name brand or get the upper one. Get a bigger vacuum, a better vacuum that is gonna work and hold up. Get the job done. But this is the unboxing. Your line is also long as well, and it's stretchy. I can't remember how much they say on the box. The cord, you can't really remove it. It's built in, and it goes into the 12 volt, like your cigarette lighter type. Yeah. So it's stretchy and it's long, so you go from the front seat to the back seat with it, get the job done. You feel me? So yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Like one of my worst unboxing videos, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. I am out. But yeah, this is the Armorall vacuum. You feel me? Yeah.